But this is impossible. Why is everything so complicated?
Hi Claire, what's wrong? What's getting on your nerves?
I'd like to register my maintenance services online, but the manufacturer's websites are driving me mad. I don't understand anything anymore. They're all different and each one asks me for different information. And I've got loads of things to do.
Oh dear, Claire. Why don't you use OE service for your entries? You can enter the data for all manufacturers on a single site. It's really simple and it saves a lot of time. Look, they guide you through the whole digital service process and provide you with all the information you need. No matter the manufacturer, making an entry with OE service won't take you more than a minute.
Wow, that sounds great, and I see they also provide maintenance schedules and service histories. I'm going to sign up right away.
More information at www.oeservice.eu.